Have you ever gazed into someone's eyes and wondered what makes them sparkle? Our eyes, often called the windows to the soul, hold a universe of color. But what determines those captivating hues? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of genetics, pigments, and the magic of light. We inherit our eye color, a trait passed down through generations. It's a story written in our DNA, a code that dictates the amount of pigment called melanin present in our irises. Genes are like tiny instruction manuals, each one containing specific instructions that guide the development and functioning of our bodies. They tell our bodies how to grow and develop from the moment we are conceived to the day we are born, and even as we age. Two main genes play a key role in determining our eye color, OCA2 and HERC2. These genes are like artists with a palette, mixing colors to create the unique hue of our eyes. These genes control the production of melanin in the iris, the colored part of our eye. Melanin is the pigment that gives our eyes their color. Think of it like mixing paint. Just as an artist blends different colors to create a masterpiece, our genes blend to determine the amount of melanin in our eyes. Different combinations of genes result in different amounts of melanin, leading to the dazzling array of eye colors we see. From deep brown to light blue, each eye color is a unique genetic creation. Brown eyes have more melanin, which absorbs more light, making them appear darker. Blue eyes, on the other hand, have less melanin, allowing more light to scatter and giving them their lighter appearance. It's important to remember that eye color inheritance is complex. It's not just a simple matter of one gene from each parent. Multiple genes can interact in ways that are still not fully understood, making it difficult to predict a child's eye color with absolute certainty. This complexity adds to the beauty and diversity of human genetics. Melanin is a pigment that gives color to our skin, hair, and eyes. It's a fascinating substance that plays a crucial role in determining the unique hues we see in each other. When it comes to eye color, melanin acts like an artist's palette, mixing and blending to create a spectrum of shades. Higher concentrations of melanin result in darker colors like brown or black. These rich, deep colors are due to the dense pigmentation absorbing more light. Lower concentrations, on the other hand, allow light to scatter more easily, producing hues like blue or green. This scattering effect is what gives lighter eyes their vibrant, almost translucent appearance. You see, light doesn't have color itself. It's the interaction between light and the structures within our eyes that creates the perception of color. It's the way that light interacts with the melanin in our eyes that creates the colors we perceive. This interaction is a complex dance of physics and biology. Think of it like the sky. The same principles that make the sky appear blue are at work in our eyes. The sky appears blue because of the way air molecules scatter sunlight. This scattering causes shorter blue wavelengths to be more prominent. Similar principles are at play in our eyes. The scattering of light by melanin and other structures within the eye creates the beautiful array of colors we see. Section 4. Rare gems, beyond the ordinary. While brown, blue and green are the most common eye colors, some individuals possess rarer hues. These unique colors, like amber, violet or gray, result from variations in melanin distribution or other genetic factors. Amber eyes, for example, have a yellowish gold tint due to the presence of a pigment called lipochrome. Violet eyes, though extremely rare, can occur due to a lack of pigment or a condition called albinism. These rare eye colors remind us of the incredible diversity present in human genetics. Section 5. Eye-opening trivia. Did you know that your eye color can change slightly depending on your mood, lighting, or even the color of your clothing? This fascinating phenomenon occurs because the iris, the colored part of your eye, can expand or contract, affecting how light is absorbed and reflected. So the next time you notice your eyes looking a bit different, remember, it's not just your imagination, it's true. The pupil, the black circle at the center of the iris, can dilate or constrict, altering the way light reflects in the eye. This change in pupil size can make your eyes appear darker or lighter, adding to the dynamic nature of your eye color. And here's another fun fact. People with blue eyes share a common ancestor. This means that if you have blue eyes, you are connected to a lineage that dates back thousands of years. Scientists believe that a genetic mutation that occurred thousands of years ago led to the development of blue eyes. This mutation affected the OCA2 gene, which plays a role in the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for eye color. So the next time you gaze into someone's eyes, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable interplay of genetics, pigments, and light that created those captivating hues. Each glance is a window into a complex history of human evolution and adaptation. Each eye color tells a unique story, a testament to the wonders of human biology. From the deep browns to the striking blues and greens, our eyes are a beautiful mosaic of our genetic heritage.